Thank you for joining me today for Washington's Estate Plan for You. Hi, my name is Lynn, St. Louis, and I am an estate planning and elder law attorney at ELG Estate Planning. And I welcome you to today's topic, which is all about what Washington has in mind for you if you don't have your own estate plan. So a lot of people think that if they have no estate plan in place, well, they probably don't actually give it much thought. If they don't have an estate plan in place, what will happen? That's probably more of a head in the sand type approach. And I congratulate you for being here, because what that means is that you are interested and want to know more. And that's one of the things that's really important to me as the founder of ELG Estate Planning Elder Law Group, is to make sure we share information so that people can take action to protect themselves, their family, and their assets. And I can tell you that Washington's estate plan for you is not the way for you to protect yourself, your family, and your assets. So without let's go ahead and let's get started here. Keep in mind that if you're joining me live on the webinar today, you can put questions in a chat and I will do my best to answer them before we conclude today. So I'm actually going to share my screen with you because I find that that makes it easier for me to talk about Washington's estate plan. We are first going to talk about what happens if you don't have a will. We're also going to talk about, well, a will is not an estate plan. A will is just one component of an estate plan. Also included within an estate plan are your durable powers of attorney, your healthcare directive, and then any other types of trusts or anything you have in place to protect your assets, especially against long-term care costs, so that you can receive government benefits. So there's a lot we're going to talk about, but let's start with the most obvious question people have is, what happens if I die without a will? And you should be seeing something that's called intestate succession in Washington State. And the statute RCW, Revised Code of Washington, 11.04.015. Why I'm showing you this screen is that I found that this is helpful for folks to actually see the visual, and they can put themselves in the situation to know what happens to them.